This is Lenovo Yoga 720, and today we're going to replace the charging port. All right, so first we're going to flip the laptop, and here is the charging port. Okay, it's quite simple, so we're going to pull out the old one off. But first, let's take out all the screws from the back plate. Those screws are Torx, so means you need the special screwdriver to take it out. And once it's removed, you can just pull it off like that. And first thing, from here, we need to disconnect the battery. That battery secured by 4 screws, so you need to unscrew all of them and pull the battery, and battery would be disconnected. The funny thing is that charging flags, this one laid under this hinge, and that hinge laid under the motherboard, means we have to pull everything off to get access into this hinge and pull this off. Okay, that motherboard does have multiple connectors, including display, keyboard, backlight, speaker, many of them. So we're gonna disconnect all of them, and we're not gonna take this complete motherboard off. Okay, but the good point is we don't need to remove this heatsink. So this one saves a lot of energy, and you don't need to replace the thermal paste. Okay, you don't need to even remove these RAM or the NVMe SSD. Alright, so finally everything is done. Now we're going to give it a test and check if that fixed that issue or not. Let's open up. So it's on the left hand side we connected, and we can see the frosted light in there which indicates that port is taking the charge. Now we're going to press the power button, and I can see the backlight is on, plus it's turning on. And if I check the battery, there is a charging sign on it, means it's charging. So this one solved the problem. Thanks for watching.